If your laundry still smells, this might be why. How often are you cleaning your washing machine? Once a month is perfect for a light clean. Just grab our gentle all-purpose cleaner and a Swedish dishcloth. Then wipe down the inside of the door, the rubber seal, and this is where the grime really likes to hide. If you've recently washed your pet's bed, be sure to double check this. You can use the all-purpose spray to wipe down the inside of the drum, then it's on to the outside. I use Nellie's laundry soda, so I don't use the dispenser tray, but it's a good idea to make sure it gets an air dry in between washes. The same goes for your front-loading door. Leaving it closed can cause mold and mildew to build up, and that's the last thing anybody wants. So let this be your sign today to go check on your washing machine.